Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is Global Recovery Model. In global budget, we can go for unlimited virtual gold and we can balance many things. But locally, every government have different currency, different budget, and everything is fixed while world is expanding, demands are expanding. You cannot control it. Your city, your province, all budgets are choked. And there is a bottleneck about that. You are stuck. Only the solution is globally, we can go for unlimited virtual gold and we can we can fix many things. We have to think differently. We have to think how to save the humanity. Global world need following key items for survival and recovery. Global education must be with high standard and free along with living expenses without any luxury. Global healthcare must be free along with living expenses without any luxury. If a debtor is in a difficulty, grant him time till it is ease for him to repay. But if you waive the sum by way of charity, it will be better for you if you understand it. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 280. Allah never changes the conditions of nation until their people, not their leader, changes themselves. First, people need to change themselves and no changes without right actions. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on the same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation or global world. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Locally, I am very sorry. Globally, yes, we can recover global world with 100% guaranteed upon full support from global people and global government, inshallah, by God willing. Media must play an active role to promote the concept plans to save humanity for free. I invite you all to join this noble mission and invite others to join it to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. Thank you.